In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add columns and rows into an Excel table. So I have a table here in Excel. To insert the column, identify the location where you want the column to be inserted. For my case, I want to insert column between products and amount in between here. To do so, just click on the next column, and to click on the next column, make sure you come on top where you have letters, and then you will see a down arrow. Here it is, and then tap on it to highlight the column. One thing you have to note is that the column you want to create will be inserted on the left of the column that has been highlighted. So to insert the column, just right click on this. Then you see the insert option, which is here. Tap on it, and immediately you can see a new column has been inserted. Now you can go ahead and rename it. To rename it, just use the rename button here. The next thing is to insert a row. First one, we want to insert a row between ballast and labor, in between the two. To do so, always select the column that is below it, because the new row will be inserted above it. So I'll select labor, and again come to the end here, and you'll see the arrow mark point at the row. And if we click on it, the whole row will be selected. Then right click on it, and you'll see insert option is here. And if you click on it, you can see now we have a new row has been inserted above it. So that's how we insert columns and rows in Excel. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.